Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. NCB Financial Group has announced that the share purchase agreement executed on February 2 last year between its subsidiary National Commercial Bank Jamaica and London-based Berkeley Financial Holdings Limited Berkeley for the sale of its 100% stake in NCB Cayman has been terminated. The agreement was discontinued due to its inability to reach completion within the agreed timeline and conditions specified by both parties. In light of this, NCB-FG intends to explore alternative opportunities regarding the future of NCB Cayman. Despite the termination, NCB Cayman remains a wholly owned subsidiary of NCB-FG, operating under a Category A banking license in the Cayman Islands. The company provides a wide range of investment banking, wealth, and assets management services. Visual Vibe, a subsidiary of Kintyre Holdings, has announced the 40% expansion of its screen network through a strategic joint venture with NGAP led by CEO Wayne Morrison. This partnership is expected to strengthen Visual Vibe's presence across Jamaica by integrating high-quality screens into its network, enhancing its ability to deliver impactful advertising solutions without the expense of acquiring and installing additional infrastructure. The expansion comes on the heels of several successful innovations and upgrades by Visual Vibe, including enhancement to key locations such as Halfway Tree and Manor Park, and the ongoing replacement of the Emancipation Park screen. Visual Vibe says the joint venture underscores its commitment to innovation and growth in Jamaica's digital advertising space. Now, foreign exchange trading saw the greenback selling for an average $156.95. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $109.58. $189.67 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $163.10. The JSE index declined by 2,603 points, while the junior market index declined by 39 points. Declining shares outnumbered advancing shares by almost 2 to 1. Only 34 shares advanced today, led by Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Epley 7.75%, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Berger Paints, Everything Fresh. The 67 shares which lost ground today included Sterling Investments, Elite Diagnostics, T-Tech, Kingston Wharves, and Epley. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.